Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to activate your Optus prepaid SIM card. So let's get started. For that, first of all, let's go ahead and simply open your browser in your PC or mobile phone and then simply search for activate Optus prepaid SIM. So once you search for it, click on the first link that pops up, making sure it's the official Optus website. Simply tap onto it and this page will show you the requirements. You need to be 14 or older, have a valid ID and new Optus prepaid SIM and a 4G or 5G compatible device. Click on Get Started right over here and it will prompt you to enter the SIM number found inside your SIM card pack. This is the number that looks like this. You'll also need to validate your SIM by entering the details. So, after that, you select a plan, enter your mobile number, and provide your ID and contact details. The process will ask you to verify your identity. And finally, review your details, confirm the activation, and your SIM card will be ready to use. That's how you activate your Optus prepaid SIM card. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and I'll see you in the next one.